Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to build your own mobile robots. Okay. So first, to build your mobile robot, you want to build the base of your mobile robot. Let's say I want to build a mobile robot that uses two wheels to move the robot. So we are making a base for the robot. I'm not going to be creative for this one. I will just make a simple robot. Okay, use smart dimension. Okay, so this is in millimeters. So 100 millimeters equal to 10 centimeters. So I want to make a little bit large robot. So I will go to 500 and this distance. Maybe I will also make it maybe like 400. Okay. So basically this is my base. Next I will use extrude it to make it bigger. So let's make it about 50. Okay, about here. Okay, so next I want to put wheels on my robot that drive this robot. Okay, so I will put a sketch here. So here I will put my wheel. So my wheel is about 50 in diameters. Okay, I think this is okay. Next I will make a hole for my robot. I want to make it through all, so I can get through all with hole. So it can be something like this. So here I will put my the wheel. Next, I want to put a caster on this robot. So take the bottom of my robot. So I'm thinking like a shape, half or semi ball shape. So here, next I will extrude this. And maybe I don't want this. So my width is about 80 millimeter. Okay. Next, to make it like a ball, use fillet. Okay. So I get something like this. Okay. So this is like a caster. It is not moving, and we have two wheels on the back that I can move my mobile robot. Okay. Okay. Now I think maybe currently it's good. So I will save this as my base. Okay. Now I want to make my next part, which is my wheel. So I remember the diameter of the hole is 30 millimeters. So I need to make something like that for my wheel. So I take like maybe go to the side, which okay, I want to sketch my wheel. So the first part is about 40. Maybe about 80. And then we'll pick up, extrude this to become my wheel. Kind of this way, that's okay. Next, I will go to the middle of this wheel. I want to make what you call the part that can like a shaft that can go inside my mobile. I remember this. The hole size is 30, so I make it 30, which is about 50, and then long. Yeah. So I will save this as I will. I will assemble this too. So I will open new, assemble. Okay. So put my base here, and yeah, I want to insert my wheel. Okay. So let's see if this wheel size is correct. Okay. This one should be 30 if I remember this correctly. Let's recheck again. Oh, I want to recheck this, so I need to save my assembly file as a mobile box. Okay. So now what I want to do is for the base here, for the hole, what is the size of this hole? Here is 30. So the radius is 30, so the diameter is about 60. Okay, so I'm going to go back. It should be okay. Hopefully I can meet this. So I want to go to change to here, to around here. Now it's okay. Next I want to put this here. And okay, nice. So we got something like this. But you can see this wheel is too small. This is 80. Maybe we need to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Yeah. So to do that, I just need to edit this part here. Want to edit this sketch here. Currently it's about 80. Let's see. It's more bigger. 110, 110. Okay. Now this is okay. So we need another wheel, right? On the another side, we need another wheel. So from here I need another wheel. So I just insert component and insert wheel again. Okay. So here just the same thing. Make, and so it's okay. Next, we want to make this part here. Okay. Now we complete our mobile base. Okay. So now we have finished this part. Next, we want to export this to our URDF file. Okay. To do that, we need to do some setting. First, we need to put the point, the base of this robot. So I want to say, I want to check this robot point. So yeah, maybe this is middle of my robot. Okay. And next, I want to put middle of my wheel. Oh, maybe I just do the coordinate first. I choose point and I choose the coordinate. So this is the first coordinate. So thumb of rule, I always make it Z on the top. Okay, and Y to the right, X to the back. So maybe this one is okay. Maybe we want to do the X to the front. So press X to the front, and we want our Z to the top. Press again, and Y to the left. So something like this. Okay, okay, nice. So let's continue. Okay, let's continue with the wheel. So if this is my front, this is my left wheel, and this is my right wheel. So let's go to my left wheel. Let's pick a point, and let's put the coordinate. So we want to have the same thing. We want this one to be the front, and Y should be here, and the Z should be on top. So yeah, that one is okay. We want to go to the next wheel, which is the last wheel. It's the right wheel. Okay, so that is the point, and coordinates X and Y and Z. So Y, Z. Okay, yeah. So okay, now we close this. The final part we want to put axis, rotation axis. So using the one inside here, so make it axis. So this is my axis of rotation. So let's check again. So the coordinate 2 is the left wheel, coordinate 3 is the right wheel. Okay, 2 left. Okay. Now we have finished this. We will go to the part we want to export. Go to File, Export as URDF. So here we have the first one, which is the base link. This is the first coordinate, and the part that we have happen to be the base link is this part. Okay, the base of our board. Okay. Next, our base have two child, left wheel and right wheel. Okay. So we go to the left wheel. So I make it as a link left. Must be small letters, and there is no space between it. If not, you cannot. You will have problem when you want to open in rows. Okay, your URDF in rows. Okay, then you need to make your left join. So number 2 is left join, and the rotation axis 1, and the robot is turning continuously. And this is the wheel that we want to use. Okay, finish that part. Now we go to the right wheel, link right, join right, coordinate 3. Axis rotation is 1, and it is also continuous. Okay, yeah, guys, that's all. We already have our mobile robot. So you are encouraged to build more sophisticated or more modern design. But today, for this tutorial, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. Okay, so we go back to our URDF. Now we want to preview and export. So preview our left join, one, right join. Okay, we want to export URDF and meshes and put the name mobile box. So put in my desktop. maybe I already have mobile. So I need to use another name, mobile robot. Okay, created. Okay, nice. So we have complete everything. We close this, and I want to send all of this uh, to my Ubuntu computer. So I need to change this to a zip file. So I don't want to make it raw. So sometimes the raw file is corrupted. So I change to zip. So now I have my zip. So there are many ways to send it to your Ubuntu computer, but I'm using a simple way. Just send it to my Ubuntu computer. So I will send this to my Ubuntu computer. Okay, nice. So finish. I send it through my WhatsApp. Okay. So I will use VHAM VirtualBox for this tutorial. So I'll start my Ubuntu computer. So what happened now? I want to send my URDF file to my Ubuntu computer and open it using Gazebo. From Gazebo, I can simulate my robot. So usually when I simulate my robot using like ROS software such as navigation software or others, so the robot will have almost similar behavior as inside the simulation, because most of the time the environment that we use for mobile robot is very simple. So usually the robot behave almost the same as inside the simulation. Okay. But if you go to more that have more dynamic, such as a flying robot, inside that there is some wind disturbance or something like that. So at that time, maybe the robot will behave different as in the simulation. But in this mobile robot, it will behave almost the same. Okay. Now I want to download my robot file. Okay. Zip file downloaded. Let's close this and check in our download. So I have the mobile robot zip. Here I extract. So make sure that there is no space between the names and all of the writings or is lowercase. Okay. So I put that. So now I copy this. I will go to my Rose workspace. Here is Kit workspace. So something like that. So I don't really know what happened. Yeah, let's continue again. Here in my downloads, my robot, go to home, checking, go to SRC and paste here. So now I just need to build everything. Okay, finish. So if everything okay, I can launch my robot. So the name of folder is mobile robot, and there is some file there. So I think right now I cannot. I need to open a new terminal. So again, was launch mobile robot. Okay, good. Gazebo dot launch. Okay, I just press that and it will try to complete. If there is a file, it will try to complete what we have written. So now I open the Gazebo. I want to see my robot. Okay, let's wait for a second. Opening. Yeah, we're still waiting for you. Oh yeah, it's already open. And oh, this is my robot. So maybe I have made a mistake here. So the one of the wheel is not here. So I need to do it again. Okay. So we are missing one wheel. Okay. Okay. Now I have opened back my Ubuntu. I think we have some problem here. One of the wheel is not. We cannot see any wheel in the simulator. So let's open back our URDF file. So left robot, we have coordinates. Okay. Right wheel, coordinate 3. Oh, we forgot to choose. Okay, here we need to choose the right wheel and put it in link component. So for the left wheel, we have the link, the base link. We have the body we have choose, but the right link I forgot to choose here. So yeah, please do the same correction. Okay, now we need to export our file again and send it to our Ubuntu computer again. Yep. The name is mobile robot. And let's save this is mobile robot. Mobile robot. So I have a problem here. I cannot save it because I already have this file. So delete this and let's open again. Let's save this one again as mobile robot file. Okay. Yep, successful. See. Then I want to zip this file here. So it's a zip file. Okay, nice. Next, I want to upload this. So I upload my file. Mobile robot zip. Okay, complete. Next, I open my Ubuntu computer. Okay, now I will download my new file again in the Ubuntu computer. So same as before, should be in the download directory, and so the name will be a bit different here. Okay, I'm going back to my Catkin SRC and I will delete my previous folder, put my new robot folder here, and I just need to rebuild again. Kin SRC checking mic. Oh, sorry. Should okay. Why open? So here I will do. Let me check again. Here I will do ROS launch the folder of my mobile robot, and this one should be gazebo dot launch. Uh, so this one should be on the right wheel. So I don't really know what happened. Okay, I opened the wrong file. Now I opened the correct one. So yeah, now finish. Now this is my mobile robot. Next part, I want to move my robot. Okay. So this one, I will open another tutorial after this. How to move my robot. So to move my robot, I need to send some command velocity to rows, but currently I cannot send any information to rows to gazebo because I need to add some kind of mathematical calculation that can change from the velocity command to uh, the wheel movement. So the next video I will do this tutorial. So thank you very much.